before sunrise, departed from Tawarayama Onsen, and finally will arrive in Kyushu soon. I'm impressed to enter the Kamon Tunnel. Isn't the moped fee of 20 yen too cheap? Fourth day from Chigasaki on this music van life. The 1,000 kilometers journey was really long. Above all, I'm very grateful to DJ Sanericci for driving alone. In this music van life, we are looking for a place of migration while playing music. Scenery of the countryside of Western Japan that we have seen for the past 4 days, it was rich in nature everywhere. So when we passed the big city of FUKUOKA, we wanted to go to the countryside soon. Even though our house and studio was still in Chigasaki City, can we go home and live with like this feels? When the long one-way is about to end, we feel that the desire to move to the countryside is increasing. And we have a lot of questions for the respect men who moved to the countryside many years ago. But we haven't eaten anything today, so we decided to have lunch at Munakata Road Station. Fukuoka City, buildings, mountains, and roadside stations, everything is larger than our city, wide. Let me introduce you to our Nissan Caravan. Name is D-Base. We also made a sticker. D-Base is a 4WD diesel vehicle with good fuel economy and high-powered car. We are starving. When we started, eat delicious eternal nabe. Our lifeline, EFDELTA charging is 53%. Danger. It doesn't seem to bother other customers here, so we do also solar charging. Now we and the EFDELTA are full. Let's gonna meet our respect man. From around Hyogo, Tottori, from morning till night, it was too cold, so we thought wanna buy some down jacket. At Uniqlo in Yumetown, Hakata, buy a seamless down jacket. What a hard van life of winter is. Now we are really ready to go. Meet our respect man. We arrived at his house. It in the mountains. Our tiredness of a long trip has been healed. There are no electromagnetic waves, car sounds, or barrier sounds overflowing in the city. The quiet world. Brown rice, miso, and umeboshi made by themselves, enzyme juice, and organic vegetables. We are very happy when we all have this dinner. I realize that the mind and body are pleased. Amazing his partner, a master of cooks making no additives muffins and enzyme syrups. Kitchen lined with enzyme syrups made from fruits that grow in their garden. When have bad physical condition, they take them like medicine. Our respect men have been saying for a long time, pure water is needed for human health. He lives here with spring water of the mountains. The fun and important point of living in the countryside, food for mental and physical well-being, natural remedies, how to use EM bacteria and baking soda, etc. The words from him are just wisdom. His valuable story has become very helpful to us. Seeing a respect man and his partner who live in harmony with nature. Our dream of moving to the countryside is changed to the goal you want to achieve immediately. We haven't decided where to move yet, but we have decided to move soon. Appreciate your watching Music VANLIFE LUMIKO ZAI Vol.5 to the end. Next Music VANLIFE LUMIKO ZAI Vol.6. I will send you the second part of FUKUOKA. See you again.